Hello and welcome to our channel FreeTimeMoneyOnline.com. We bring you this informative video on budgeting basics. Today we're going to cover everything you need to know to get started with managing your money and making sure you stay on track financially. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or anyone looking to get a handle on their finances, this video is for you. Budgeting is simply the process of creating a plan for how you'll spend your money. By creating a budget, you're able to get a clear picture of how much money you have coming in and how much you're spending, and make sure that you're using your resources wisely. It's a powerful tool for financial stability and can help you reach your long-term financial goals. Budgeting is a crucial part of personal finance management, and it's something that many people neglect to do. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a business owner, budgeting is important because it helps you to stay in control of your finances. So, let's dive into the basics of budgeting. There are three main steps. 1. Tracking your income. 2. Tracking your expenses. 3. Creating a balance. 1. Tracking your income. The first step in budgeting is to figure out exactly how much money you're bringing in and how much you're spending. This can be done by keeping a record of all your income and expenses for a few months. You can use a spreadsheet, a pen and paper, or an app to help you keep track of your spending. This includes all sources of income, such as your salary, side hustles, and any other sources of money you receive. 2. Tracking your expenses. Once you've tracked your spending, it's time to categorize your expenses. This means separating your expenses into categories like housing, food, transportation, entertainment, etc. This includes all of your monthly bills, as well as your spending on things like food, entertainment, and shopping. Be sure to track all of your spending, even the small purchases that you might not think of. This will help you to see exactly where your money is going and where you can potentially cut back. 3. Creating a balance. Once you know your income and expenses, you'll want to create a balance by subtracting your expenses from your income. This means setting limits on your spending in each category. It's also important to have a contingency plan in case of unexpected expenses. This means setting aside some money each month in case of emergencies or unexpected bills. This could be as simple as putting aside 10% to 20% per month in a savings account. It is advisable to follow the 50-30-20 financial rule. That means, use 50% of your income for your wants like food, rent, bills, etc. Use 30% of your income for your needs like shopping, entertainment, etc. Use 20% or more of your income for savings. Finally, it's important to stick to your budget. This means being mindful of your spending, and making sure that you're not overspending in any one category. You can use apps or alerts to help you stay on track, or you can simply review your spending each week to make sure you're staying within your budget. Let's wrap up this video with some helpful tips for budgeting. Firstly, don't be too strict with yourself. Budgeting is a process and it takes time to get used to it. Secondly, don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. If you're spending more in one category than you initially planned, adjust your budget accordingly. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are financial advisors and budgeting tools that can help you stay on track. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you'll be able to use it to start budgeting and manage your finances more effectively. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel freetimemoneyonline.com for more informative videos.